Everybody, what is up, guys? We're here in the snow. If you're here in Houston area, we are getting some snow, and it's been a while since I've seen this much snow. The last time I seen this much snow, it was like, woo, back in New Jersey when I was like 4 years old. Look at it. It's a lot of snow. I'll be taking you guys with me, what I've been doing, or what I will be doing throughout these days that we're kind of just trapped inside, basically. And I hope you guys enjoy. El Guandamá. Oh, dang. Yeah.
Working on a snowman or just clearing your driveway?
I'm trying to do a snowman, but I don't know how. Yeah.
Well, I got the title for your picture.
Yeah.
A bro with a hoe.
What?
Have fun.
Alright, I'll be safe now. Alright guys, this is the final result with the help of my brother-in-law. So far we have this done. Here's the backboard. Oh. Guys, so this is the final result of the crib with no mattress. Here it is.
Look at this dude.
Alright guys, so this is pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys for the ones who watched throughout the whole thing. And I think the snowman has had enough, so we're just gonna take it down now.